Hey there, so you want to learn a new language but don't know where to start? Easy peasy, just watch this video, get overwhelmed by all the advice, pick the hardest language possible, do one lesson, forget everything, and then binge watch videos on Fluent in 24 hours. Simple, right? But seriously, if you really want to learn a language, let's make sure you're doing it for the right reasons. Sure, mastering an obscure dialect might impress strangers at parties or get you extra likes on social media, but if it's not fun for you, what's the point? Choose a language that excites you, one that you'll enjoy speaking every day. Not sure which language to pick? Here's a handy chart of languages ranked by how easy they are for English speakers. Spanish, French, and Italian are great starting points. They're like the friendly neighbors of the language world. Tons of countries speak them, and you'll find plenty of resources. If you're feeling adventurous and want to tackle something like Mandarin or Arabic, go for it. Just make sure your motivation is rock solid. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn this language? If your answer is to watch anime without subtitles, well, that might keep you going for a week. But if it's I want to connect with my grandmother in her native tongue, now that's motivation. Personal connections and genuine interest will keep you committed when things get tough. Alright, you've picked your language. Now comes the easy part, actually learning it. People will tell you the fastest way is to get a language partner or move to a country where it's spoken. But let's be real, that's not always feasible. So here's a method you can do solo, in your pajamas, with zero human interaction required. Introverts, rejoice. Step 1. Master the basics. Start with a beginner's textbook or an online course that offers practice exercises. Duolingo is fun, but doing one lesson a day won't make you fluent. Dedicate some time to really understand the fundamentals: grammar, basic vocabulary, pronunciation. You can find free resources online or even borrow materials from the library. Yes, those still exist. Step 2. Immerse yourself. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to dive into the deep end. Watch YouTube videos, movies, or shows in your target language. The key here is to choose content you actually enjoy. Love cooking? Watch cooking shows. Into gaming? Find Let's Plays. Aim to understand at least 30% of what's being said. And no, reading the English subtitles doesn't count. If everything sounds like gibberish, don't panic. They're probably speaking at lightning speed. Adjust the playback speed or find content labeled for beginners or easy. Use subtitles in the target language if available. This helps you connect spoken words to their written forms, making it easier to expand your vocabulary. Step 3. Practice speaking. Time to find your voice. Start by repeating phrases you hear in videos. Pause after sentences and mimic the pronunciation. Feeling brave? Talk to yourself in the mirror or record yourself speaking about your day. It might feel silly, but it's a great way to build confidence, and hey, your pet won't judge you. Step 4. Keep it fun. Learning a language doesn't have to be a chore. Incorporate it into your daily life. Change your phone's language settings, label household items with sticky notes, or even think in your new language. The more you integrate it into everyday activities, the more natural it becomes. Finally, remember that language is about connection. Once you're comfortable, try chatting with native speakers online or in person. You'll make mistakes, lots of them, and that's okay. It's all part of the journey. So grab that textbook, queue up some videos, and start your linguistic adventure today. Who knows, maybe someday you'll be the one making a How I Became Fluent video. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple tips to transform your life.